Hello everybody, this is Montgomery, and I want to do a little door closer challenge of my own. I want you, my door closer enthusiast, to find a door closer that either has a loose arm or a bent arm. Now it could be the one like in Zippy Zombo's video where it's just free swings. It could be one like that. It could be a one with no arm screw. It could be one with a loose bolt. It could be just whatever kind of door closer you can find that has a loose arm. So we'll demonstrate mine. I'll show you mine. So, see, mine's got a loose arm. Mine has a loose arm. We'll do it again. We can get you an outdoor view if you want. You can hear it. It doesn't. This door closer is very different. It doesn't really scrape with the door like most door closers that have loose arms. They scrape the top of the door, like some of the ones at my school do. This one just doesn't like it. It hits. See, it's loose, and it's loose and sort of bent. So let's see what it does now. Yep, it still hits the door because the arm is loose and it was bent. We'll do it one more time, and that will be it. Alright, so anyways, that will be it.